Semrush Review Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing Semrush, one of the leading digital marketing tools available today. Links to the product are in the description below. Semrush is designed for digital marketers, SEO professionals, content creators, and business owners who want to enhance their online presence, track performance, and optimize their websites for better visibility. Semrush offers an all-in-one platform that covers a wide range of marketing aspects. Its SEO toolkit is one of the most comprehensive, including keyword research, backlink analysis, site audit, and rank tracking. The keyword research tool is especially powerful, helping you identify high-traffic, low-competition keywords to target. You can also track how your website ranks for these keywords over time and compare your performance with competitors. For backlink analysis, Semrush provides an in-depth overview of your website's backlink profile and helps you identify potential link-building opportunities. The site audit tool is essential for identifying technical SEO issues on your website and providing actionable recommendations to improve site health. One of the standout features of Semrush is its competitive research capabilities. You can spy on your competitors, analyze their traffic, see which keywords they're ranking for, and gain insights into their content strategy. This makes it easier to spot gaps in your own strategy and refine your approach. Additionally, Semrush includes tools for content marketing, social media tracking, and paid advertising management, giving you a complete view of your digital marketing efforts. It's suitable for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises, and is especially valuable for agencies looking to manage multiple client accounts. Overall, Semrush is a powerhouse for anyone serious about digital marketing and SEO. Its comprehensive suite of tools provides everything you need to improve your online presence, track your progress, and stay ahead of the competition. If you're looking for a top-tier marketing platform, Semrush is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description to get started.